Yes, viewers and subscribers, boy street around red. 30 people get shot in a 3 different parties. One including a Jamaica reggae boy player and a Klangsman gang member also got shot. Alright, reading from the law. 12 persons were shot during an illegal party in Garden District in White House, Westmoreland on Sunday night. 2 persons have been confirmed dead. 10 persons were hospitalized with gunshot wound while 1 person was injured by shattered glass as the member of the crowd took evasive action and scampered for their lives. Boy, may I tell the people if you run up and down to save their life in a event, boy, rough. The incident happened about 8 p.m. The Constabulary Communication Unit confirms the incident. There was a dispute between 2 persons and one of them left and returned with a firearm and shot the man he was in dispute with and killed another and injured 7 others. Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay told Loop News. Boy, people them a keep party everywhere in a farm, in a cow pen, anywhere them can keep party. In a backyard mechanic shop, anywhere them a hide it from the police them. And that's why gunman them a prey upon them in the party them and a kill off much people. People need to be careful, you know. And another incident now. 7 persons shot, including a reggae boy player shot in Portmore, 2 fatally. 7 persons shot in a party held in Southborough, Portmore, St. Catherine on Tuesday night. 2 of them later died and the other 5 were hospitalized. One of the deceased man has been identified as Jason Thomas, who police say had been attacked 3 to 4 months ago by armed men. 3 of the 5 persons who were injured were treated and sent home, with 2 of the men remain hospitalized, one of whom is a former Portmore United striker, Malik Foster, who is reportedly undergoing surgery. Reports are that 4 men carried out a vicious attack about 9 p.m., pouncing on a group playing dominoes in a yard. They opened fire, injuring 7 people. This is the second major shooting in the community in the last few months. Boy, I come like gunshot to them more than rice grain. Like everywhere you go, a 4 and 5 man. Come like it's a militia group them a create down there. Right now, come like you stop here, say 1 man go shoot people again. No 1 man now do no shooting again, it look like at all. I be a group of man, 4 or 5 man. Like people stop talk about things nowadays. You know, I just some vicious attack go on. Right now you they need, boy, may I tell you. You they need to take time with the gun thing, man, cause the rate of gun thing I go people soon now and come back to Jamaica. The tourists then soon stop come spend their money down there. Boy, it look like people stop go party if you go party and wind up on a nice looking lady them in a party down there. You see a girl is nice and look good, man stop look on woman nowadays, they come like a beer gun the man them a look on. Woman not attractive again, man no want get pitney. You come like man no want some pitney grow up and send them to school and sitting there. You come like a just straight gun thing and kill thing you man end up on. The man they not no sympathy if you not even old lady. Now the baby them, man them a kill everything. Boy, you don't need to stop, man. And the next incident, 11 shot, including a Klangsman at a party in Portmore, St. Catherine. Reading from the Loop. 2 men, including the deceased, have been identified by the police as top tier members of the Tesha Miller faction of the Klangsman gang in St. Catherine. The deceased has been identified as Kemar Tommings, otherwise called Night and Day. The other injured man, who the police describe as a Klangsman gang member, has been identified as Marcus Smith, who is wanted by the St. Catherine North police for murder. The other victims were treated at hospital, where 3 of them are said to be in serious condition. Reports are that a patrol team from the Portmore Police was in the Old Brayton area, where they saw a number of vehicles parked in a churchyard on the main road, and went to investigate. Having checked the area and not detecting any noise, the law enforcement officers proceeded further on foot. Upon approaching Browns Lane, they heard explosion and saw the crowd of persons running in different directions. It was later discovered that 11 persons had shot. The police are said to have not fired a shot during the incident. In the release from the Police Corporation Community Unit (CCU), the constabulary said members of the public should be mindful that until November 16th, the curfew has started by the office of the Prime Minister in between the hours of 9 to 5 a.m. Trust me, this thing is serious, man. Oh my God, the man never gonna stop killing, man. Well, them are going to kill off everybody down there. Everybody. Right now, the man them are shoot from left to right. Right now, man a thief, man bike, man a broke in a store, man a yo people them get crazy. I wonder why go on COVID-19 down there kill all over people. People a kill people, boy. What go happen? Father God, me beg you cover over them. Father God, cover over all of you them, because this thing it not normal. Be people just a kill people at daytime. It's like people don't want to work again. Like me say, people come like, yo, you them don't come like they don't want a woman and pick me no more. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. Tune in for other videos. Big up yourself, my viewers and subscribers. One love everyone. One love one and all.